nobody had told me this. Seriously, nobody had told me while I was on my 20s. Have you ever wondered, like, why do you feel so nervous when you are supposed to talk to maybe 5 people or 10 people? Whoever it is, even if there are 2 people, why is that? Why do you feel so nervous? I wish somebody had told me this, 20 years back while I was in my 20s. Now, why you feel nervous is because you're so conscious about yourself, right? What is that which is going on in your mind? Let's discuss that today. Am I looking confident? Am I dressed up well? Am I smiling? Is my audience even listening to me? So it's all about I. Now tell me one thing. If you keep focusing on yourself, if you keep focusing so much on yourself, I, will you feel more nervous or less nervous? Obviously, you will feel more nervous, because when your complete consciousness is on you, you're putting yourself on the spotlight. Your complete, your focus is inward, right? So that's the reason you feel more nervous. Now, one mindset shift. Suppose one shift, if you can do, like shifting the focus from inward, from yourself to the audience. I remember, one of my mentors called Simon. He's from France. Excellent mentor. And actually, he taught me one thing which remained with me for my life. I collaborated with him to, train the corporates. Now I was about to train the sales executives and the marketing executives on a model called You, I, We. Okay, that was a model which applies to not only sales and marketing people, but to all of us as speakers. Whoever is a leader, You, I, We model is excellent. Now, what is You in case of sales? You is the customer. Then it's I, the company or the product. And then we. So we, all of us together. Same thing holds in public speaking. It's first you, it's first the audience, then it is I. Then we both are in the same ground, so that because whatever you speak, they understand. So it's always keeping the audience. No need to think about yourself. Don't be conscious about yourself. What you have to do is just think about those 10 to 15 people who are waiting to listen to you. Think about that one thing which you want them to remember forever. That one thing which you want them to take away with them. How you want them to feel. Ask these questions to yourself. Prepare for them, right? The moment you shift your focus from, self to them, to the audience, your nervousness will automatically come down.